Right, new composition, 3840, 2160, that's 4K, 30 frames per second. I'm gonna rename this layer, grunge move. Okay, we're ready to go. Now all these textures I got, you can just get them off the internet. Just type in your Google search bar, free grunge textures, and take them from anywhere. High quality ones are the best, obviously. I'm gonna put them all in. Any order you want. After you've done that, you just need to resize all the layers. Make sure they're all within the composition size or larger than the composition. I've done that, that's fine now. I want to cut it to 6 seconds and I want to go to keyframe assistant, sequence the layers. There we have something there. Still got to smooth it out and make it better, so I want to rearrange some of the layers. Good stuff, we're ready to go. Now I want to pre-compose that. I'm going to call it gloop and we're going to move all attributes into the new composition. Then we're going to right click and we're going to go to time, enable time remapping. Go to the last frame, go back 1 frame, add a new keyframe, delete the first one, you alt click the time remap and you put loop out, bracket, and we're going to choose ping pong. And there you have it. Now I'm just going to put in my video. So I'll put the video in now. We're going to try some modes with that. Let me go to soft light now. And I'm just going to go through some modes and see what one looks best. Soft light, screen. I think I'm going to go with screen. Put that on top. Let me see different variations. Soft light and screen are one of the best ones you can use. When you use soft light, anything underneath comes through. We're gonna stick with screen. We're gonna take the opacity down to 50 and that's it. Easy, moving grunge, real easy and fast. Make sure you like, subscribe. Skill Swift.